Shorthand English Junior Grade, October 1971. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds, 2 seconds, start. His Excellency the Governor said, Friends, I am deeply thankful to the government of Tamil Nadu and the Chief Minister for inviting me to this function. I was not feeling well, but still I did not like to miss this opportunity. It always gives me great pleasure to meet the farmers on their fields and in the villages. Most of our people live in the villages and depend upon agriculture, for which water is the main requirement. There should therefore be proper arrangements for supply of water to the small farmers. There may be farmers with 1 acre or 2 acres or 3 acres or even 4 acres of land requiring water, and proper supply of water should be ensured. It may happen that the stronger man gets all the water and the poor man goes without any water. In the Punjab, we know for the sake of water, people even resort to murder. I hope proper steps will be taken to see that somebody is made responsible to ensure that no malpractice takes place in the distribution of water. One more thing I would like to say on this occasion. We are all the time thinking of putting more people on the land because they are landless. If the government is unable to provide jobs, it thinks of putting the unemployed on the land. But how many people can be employed in this manner? I do not think that many people can be employed. You will be interested to know that in Japan, most farmers have supplementary income from industry. Therefore, we must provide some employment whereby people in the villages may get a supplementary income. As I said, we anxious to put more people on land. 15 years ago, you will be surprised, Japan had half of its population engaged on land. But 10 years later, the number got reduced. Our salvation lies in industrialization. If we do not pay attention to it, then we are going the wrong way. It may be that economic development is being neglected for many political reasons. But if we can assure the common man 2 square meals and a house to live in, we will be doing a great service in raising the standard of living of the people. After all, they are interested only in these and not in mere slogans or political ideas. I wish you all success. Letter from Brown and Company Limited, Madras, to Messrs. Lakshmi Trading Company, Madras, to dated 1st May 1970. Dear Sirs, we thank you for your letter of yesterday's date and wish to assure you that it will receive the best attention possible from our principals at Bombay. In the meantime, however, we shall be happy if you will furnish some more information on the subject under reference. You have inquired whether it will be possible for our principals to appoint you as their agent for sale of their new product, the energy biscuits. But please permit us to point out that you have not given us any idea about your experience in trade and other connected details. For example, we would like to know particularly for how long you have been in the trading line and whether you have any experience in selling any other brands of our biscuits or other products. Soliciting your early reply. Yours faithfully,